Okay, I'm going to review the Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bars. Here's the oats and honey and sweet and salty nut. Both are good. There's also a peanut butter and chocolate one that I've had. I haven't actually seen that in the stores. I actually got this thinking it was the peanut butter flavor, but both these are good. I've been actually eating the oats and honey for probably a good 10 years now. These come in, a variety of boxes, 6 bars and the 24. I guess they only make this one in the 24. At least this is the only one I've seen in this quantity at the stores. But they're low on calories, low on fat, not too high on sodium, a good amount of sugar, and decent amount of vitamins. Full focus here. It probably will in a second. Maybe. Nope, it just won't focus. I mean, it's... these aren't exactly, really high on vitamins, but it's something quick and easy and not unhealthy to eat if you need a quick snack or you need something to curb your hunger. I highly recommend these. They're very tasty. No, they don't have any weird taste or ill after effects or leave you with bad breath after you've eaten them. So yeah, pick these up if you're into granola bars.